Active income vs passive income. We often come across people asking, "Do you make passive income?" And our reaction is usually, "What?" There are so many of us who don't really know the difference between both active and passive income. And if you don't know the difference, how would you know which ones you should be investing in these days, given that the economy is not doing so well? It a food for thought, right? Well, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about active income and passive income, from what they both are to their pros and cons. So, are you ready? Let's get started then. But before continuing, support our work with a like, comment, and share our content, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our videos. Whatever you do for a living, your earnings will fall into one of two categories: passive income or active income. But what they both are? Well, that's what we are here to explore. So, passive income is money earned from a previous investment or work that continues to make money without any additional effort. In contrast, active income is money earned in exchange for performing a service. Well, both these types of incomes need more explanation for you to understand. So, let's talk in detail about passive income first. Number 1. Passive income. Passive income is frequently described as making money while you sleep, but there's more to it. If it were that simple, everyone would be counting dollars while sleeping. If you have enough money like this, you can invest in assets such as an Airbnb rental property, cryptocurrency, and stocks that generate income on their own. But what if you don't have the necessary funds to get started? Passive income is basically income that requires little effort to maintain. It could be from a rental property, the stock market, or a company in which you are not deeply involved. You are not exchanging your time for money with passive income as you would at a 9-to-5 job. Instead, you're creating or purchasing an asset that you can sell or generate revenue with, whether you're at your desk or on a Maldives beach. There are numerous passive income opportunities, such as writing a book, developing a course, investing in real estate, and running an affiliate marketing program. However, none of these activities are as passive as people believe. You must first put in the effort, such as writing the book you intend to sell, filming the videos for your course, and selecting the assets you intend to purchase. And you have to do all of this without being paid directly, in the hope that it will pay off months or years later. Despite this, passive income can be a useful additional revenue stream, which is especially important in a shaky and recovering economy. Number 2. Types of passive income. Well, did you know that passive income is classified into two types? Well, yes, there's more to it. Both two types generate a different type of income and can be used separately or in tandem, depending on your financial objectives. The first one is creating. This one involves the money earned upfront from doing the work. Selling digital products, writing books, creating music, or creating another product that earns money are all examples of passive income. The second one is investing. This involves profits from asset investments. It also requires some initial investments. Dividend stocks, real estate investment trusts, renting out a spare room or leasing, interest, capital gains, peer lending, ETFs, mutual funds, and royalties are common examples of this type of passive income. Number 3. Benefits. Now, I really want to talk about some amazing benefits associated with passive income. First of all, it really increases your cash flow. The potential for wealth creation is undoubtedly the most appealing aspect of passive income. It can be used to diversify your wealth, accelerate early retirement, support a digital nomad lifestyle, and increase your net worth. Having multiple passive income streams also means you're not reliant on a single one that could fail at any time. Then comes the second benefit, which is so important nowadays, and that is greater financial independence. Passive income is more than just making extra money. With enough income streams, you can earn enough to cover your living expenses without having to work or rely on others. It also allows you to spend your time the way you want, whether it's pursuing passion projects or starting a small business. Third, it really alleviates your stress and anxiety. We all experience significant stress when we don't have enough money to pay our bills. When you have passive income, you have the financial momentum to effectively manage yourself, your time, and your assets. Lastly, it allows you to live and work from any location. When you are not dependent on a paycheck, you can live and work from anywhere. Passive income provides you with the flexibility that other methods of earning money do not. Number 4. Examples. There are many examples of passive income we can see in our daily. For instance, having your own business. Depending on how you set it up. For instance, if you work as a freelance writer, you are exchanging time for money, which is not a passive activity. Then we have people who rent out their space to earn rental revenue. Real estate is the most common source of passive income. And the third example is acquiring private equity. Private equity is any money invested directly in a company, contributed to venture capital, or invested in real estate. These investments are frequently regarded as high risk, with high capital requirements. Private equity investments are frequently held for up to 10 years by investors. Number 5. Active income. Now, let's see what active income is. Active income is defined as an income obtained through work, such as performing a job in exchange for a wage, running a business in exchange for profits, working on a freelancing project in exchange for payment, and so on. The next thing to consider is why you want to make that money. The majority of people rely on active income to meet their daily needs. We typically use the active income to cover our daily expenses. You may or may not enjoy your current job profile, position, organization, work environment, business, etc., but you must continue to work in order to survive. A person's physical presence and material involvement are required for an active source of income. There will be no income in this system if there is no active participation. It is more consistent and quicker than passive income. Number 6. Benefits of active income. Okay, so with this type of income, you most likely have employee benefits such as life, health, and disability insurance. Most large employers, as well as some small businesses, provide employees with the opportunity to participate in a retirement plan. Secondly, you are covered by unemployment insurance. There are so many people I know who lost their jobs as a result of the pandemic, but they were able to stay afloat financially thanks to state and federal unemployment benefits. Third, I believe that relationships can be formed that will last a lifetime. Many people's closest friends are either current or former coworkers. Working 40+ hours per week with other people can foster strong bonds and enjoyable camaraderie. Next, you get to go office every day. I know many of you might be thinking it's not good. But there are so many people who simply cannot work at home. They dislike solitude, but they don't mind the quiet time while working. And lastly, you get to value having a career path. Building a career and moving up the ladder is an important goal for many people who work for someone else. They enjoy the challenge and the pay raises that come with being recognized for a job well done. Number 7. Disadvantages. I think active income has some side effects as well. First of all, you have a time constraint. Time is more valuable than money, someone once said. You can always make more money, but you can never make more time. There are only so many hours in a day, which limits your earnings, especially if you're paid by the hour. Secondly, the worst part is that your tax rate could be higher. In the tax year 2021, the top individual tax rate is 37%, nearly twice as much as a passive investor pays on long-term capital gains. And lastly, the most annoying part is that you have to report to someone. Everyone in corporate America reports to someone else, including the CEO, who reports to the company's board of directors. Number 8. Examples. Now, let's see some common examples of passive income. The first one is quite predictable as it is the salary you get. A person is considered to be earning an active income if they arrive at work at 8 a.m. and leave at 5 p.m. and receive a salary. In essence, you're exchanging a year's worth of your time and skills for a set amount of money. You can save a small portion of your monthly salary and invest wisely to create a passive income stream. Another example is the wage per hour. The hourly wage is most likely the most common source of income. As a delivery boy, you can earn an hourly wage or work full-time as an adult. You might even be able to earn an hourly wage doing a side job at night. And then there is another example, and this is of commissions. Of all the active revenue sources, this one has the greatest potential to earn you a substantial sum of money. Real estate agents are a prime example of this. There are plenty of more examples as well that you can find online. So which one is better, guys? To be honest, passive income is preferable to active income. Consider the possibility of taking a vacation and returning home to a larger bank account if you had a passive income stream that paid you when you weren't working. You can sleep while earning money from your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel on your way out. See you next time. Bye. See you next time. Bye.